Fashion is the armor to survive the reality of everyday life. The world of clothing was just a means to protect oneself. And now it has turned out to be a fashion business where there are new inventions every day. There is a lot of competition between brands to maintain their position and also pressure to follow the trend. We the Faxi are back with another video on the topic 5 popular clothing brands in the world. Gucci. Gucci is a luxury brand of fashion house based in Florence, Italy. Its product lines include handbags, ready-to-wear, shoes and accessories, makeup, fragrances and home decoration. Gucci was founded in 1921 by Guccio Gucci in Florence, Tuscany. Under the direction of Aldo Gucci, Gucci became a worldwide known brand. In 2019, Gucci operated 487 stores for 17,157 employees and generated 9.628 billion euros in sales. Marco Bizzarri is CEO of Gucci since December 2014 and Alessandro Michele, Creative Director since January 2015. Gucci is a subsidiary of the French luxury group Kering. EXO Sky, the first Korean to lead as Gucci's global brand ambassador. EXO Sky's fashion is on another level. He is one of the biggest and most influential artists in the world with a huge fan base in the K-pop industry. The brand value of this company is about $12.4 billion. The revenue of this company is about $4.5 billion. The company aims at providing quality clothing. Gucci is known to produce clothes which are worth wearing for a red carpet event. Gucci is one of the most expensive brands and also they are known to produce rich and luxury clothing. Thus, they are in the second position. Louis Vuitton. World's most expensive brand is Louis Vuitton. The brand value of this company has reached about $28.1 billion. The revenue collection of this brand is about $10.1 billion. Louis Vuitton is very well known for its use of leather, excellent tailoring of trench coats, ready-to-wear dresses, shoes, accessories, watches, sunglasses, jewelry, books, and many other accessories, and deservingly have taken the first position in the famous clothing brands list of 2017. Emma Stone is the latest Louis Vuitton ambassador. Chanel. The brand value of this company is about $6.8 billion. The revenue collection by this company is about $5.4 billion. Coco Chanel founded this company. The brand is very well known for women's clothing. The company strives to make sure that women are comfortable in their clothes and they should feel proud. Timeless little bag dress was introduced by the Chanel brand. Chanel is one of the most expensive brands in the world. Thus, this company is in the 5th position in the top 10 list. It's 26th most valuable brand in the world. The brand ambassador of Chanel was Penelope Cruz. Zara. Zara is a Spanish clothing retailer based in Galicia, Spain. It was founded by Amancio Ortega in 1975. It is a flagship chain store of the Inditex Group, the world's largest apparel retailer. Zara clothes are made from Spain, Portugal, Turkey, India, Pakistan, Vietnam, Cambodia, Bangladesh, China, Brazil, and Argentina. They have both expensive and cheap replicas of expensive designer clothes. Its headquarters are at Spain. It has 2,210 stores worldwide. Its revenue is 18,021 million euros. The company specializes in fast fashion products which include clothing, accessories, shoes, swimwear, beauty and perfumes. In 2010, Zara launched its online boutique and later expanded to many countries. In 2015, it ranked 30 on the Interbrand's list of best global brands. Zara stores have men and women's clothing as well as children's clothing. Zara home designs are located in European stores. Their products are supplied based on consumer trends. Zara produces over 450 million items per year. It develops a new product in just 1 week compared to the 6-month industry average and makes roughly 40,000 designs every year. Zara has zero advertising policy, instead prefers to invest a percentage of revenues in opening new stores. Dior. Christian Dior, commonly known as Dior, is a French luxury goods company founded in 1946, 74 years ago by a French fashion designer, Christian Dior. Its headquarters are located in Paris, France. It serves from 210 locations worldwide. Bernard Arnault is the chairman of this company. Dior product range includes clothing, cosmetics, fashion, accessories, jewelry, perfumes, spirits, watches, and wines. Its revenue is 53.6 billion euros as of 2019. Its label remains largely for women's offerings, although the company also operates the Dior division for men and Baby Dior label for children's wear. Products are sold throughout its portfolio of retail stores worldwide, as well as through its online store. Dior is known for its elegance and timeless femininity. Dior's unique look has influenced the world of fashion since the beginning. It ranks number 5 on the list of the best high-end brands. The most common fibers Dior used in his creations were cotton, wool, and silk, all natural. These are more sustainable from biodegradability aspect than synthetic fabrics. These clothes are mostly made in Italy. Juja Smith is the latest brand ambassador to the Dior Beauty. So that's all we have for today's video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends and family.